Hello everyone. Now we're going to do some bit of implicit intent. I have made another app for you guys. You can just see how what all does this app do, and then we of course we will code and discuss what all how to make this happen, right? So this is basically an app which will help you stay connected and also help you search certain things if you want to. Basically, we're going to make this app so as to learn implicit intents. The first thing which you see here on the screen is there is this edit text which is asking you to enter a number to dial. Let's say I put 123 here and then I click on this button. This is an image button which I clicked. You can see that the dialer opens and I can now click on the green button. This will not work here because it's an emulator, but if you run this app on your Android phones, this will definitely work. Let us go to the other feature. Let's say if I want to search something, I type Rooney and then I click on G plus sign. uh, I see that Google gets opened and I have the Google results here. So this is working fine. Another feature which we have here is the email feature. Even this won't work here because let's say I were to type dear at gmail.com. This is a email ID which I need to type here, and then if I click on this, it should open up my Gmail app or any other email app that I've installed on my Android phone. Now this is an emulator. We can't really, there's no email app supported here. So we can't really test it here, but I'm sure if you test it on your devices, it will work. And then this was the last one. This is basically a sharing button. So if you click on this button, you can share a message or anything else which you will be coding later with your friends. This is basically to explore how do we share stuff on other social media, right? So here, let's say I were to select this one, and now you can see it automatically types, "Hey, how are you?" In my text field here in my SMS window, and now if a user clicks on this button, then the message will get sent, right? So let us now start discussing and seeing how do we actually do this uh, in through coding and through layouts. So I again created an empty activity, and this is what an empty activity gives me. It has got a default text view, and this is how it looks right now. Yeah, hello world, and that's it. I will need to work on this. First and foremost thing that you need to do is just remove the text view and make it a linear layout so that you can use the horizontal and vertical orientations. Now we can start doing our now we can start typing down our layout. So here you can see that I have started the layout by typing linear layout. I've made the vertical as the relative as linear, and now I have introduced another nested layout which is linear layout again. I have put layout width as match parent, wrap content is height, orientation is horizontal, and layout width is 1, and gravity is center. Why have we kept as layout weight as 1? You will get to see it later. And the gravity is center because I want the layout to have to be centrally located, because that's what we actually want it to look like. After this, I will include an edit text because that is where I will be entering the number. Wrap content for width and height as well. Uh, we will have to give a hint, and hint will be enter number to dial. Let us also give it an ID because it's good to give IDs to the entities that you're preparing here. You might require it while you're coding them. And then you have an image button. That also we're going to put wrap content only. We will also give a on-click attribute here because this is a button and I will be clicking it and it has to do something when once I click it. Because it's an image button, I will also give an image to it, and I have already saved some 4 images here which I can use here now, and I will type the name of the image here, add drawable, then call, right? Let us see how does this look in my, looks fine, right? The edit text is here and then you have the image button also. After this I will make another linear layout which will have horizontal orientation. For these linear layouts, if you noticed, we are using a match parent as width and height as wrap content. The reason is that because these linear layouts have got a horizontal orientation, what I'm basically doing is I need to contain this edit text and the image buttons inside this linear layout, and these two will be in horizontal fashion, and that's why you see here these two are horizontally aligned, right? uh, but the one thing is that width has to have match parent in this. Basically I have the entire width to use here, which I can use, and the height has to have wrap content. Basically I'm not going to give them the entire uh, width height that is available from my parent, so I will only write wrap content though. So this linear layout will be given as much as height that is required by the biggest of these two edit text or image button, right? So now what I will do is I have created another linear layout, and I have put match parent and wrap content here. I need to again give orientation, which I will give horizontal, and again weight as 1 and gravity as center. So this makes sure that both these whatever I'm going to put this inside the linear layout, they look they appear in the center of the layout. Now the next one, which I've already done the calling part. Now I need to prepare for the search part. Let's begin with the edit text. Edit text will have wrap content, and for height also we will do wrap content. For hint we will type enter to search, and for I'll also give it an ID which has ed which is edt2. After this I will have to have an image button which I pick from here as it is. I'm only going to change the relevant stuff here. So I go here and I copy pasted it. Wrap content is fine, but on click I want to type the name of new method that I'm going to write in my code. Let's say I'm going to call it Google search, and for drawable I will say the name of the icon is Google for me here, so I have also typed it Google here. Now you see the Google icon starts appearing here, right? So we are going in the right direction. Let's see, looks fine, right? These two linear layouts are horizontal in nature, and they are actually within the bigger linear layout, which is the parent layout, right? So this one is vertical, horizontal, and horizontal, right? One more is it is there, which we have to again write down. The third one was the email sender. So what I'll do is I'll copy paste this and paste it here. Let's see what all I need to change. These is fine. I will have to change this because two attributes, two entities cannot have the same IDs within Android Studio. On click method name has to be changed. So I'll type as email sender, and src has to be changed. I'll type the name of the image as mail, Now you see it is started showing you here, right? So this is also fine. Now let's see how does it look. Yeah, looks fine. After this, I also need to include one more button here, which was for sharing, right? So this button has to get placed here, and obviously these three have to move shift little upwards so that there is place for the fourth button. And if you remember, I placed it in the middle, right? So in the center. So what I will do is I will copy paste this image button. I will come out of this linear layout which is horizontally inclined, and now I am in the parent layout. I'll copy paste here. On click, I will write the name of the method which I'm going to write as share. My image is also named as shared. Here I will have to write layout gravity, not gravity, because right now I am talking about I am not in the linear layout which was the child linear layout. This is right now I'm in the parent layout. So I'll write layout gravity as center. Let's see how does it look. This looks fine. This is what we wanted, right? So the only thing that is remaining now is the background. So for background, what we do is we come to our parent layout, and we type there Android colon background, and we need to. So I googled a color which is the same color which you saw in the demo earlier, and this is the color. So those of you who are not aware of this, this is a hash code. Every color in this world has got a hash code. You can find those hash codes on Google. And of course, there's another way to define a color here. You can go to add colors folder, and also define colors there, and then refer to that color here with a name. But because we are right now learning about implicit intents, I will not take that pain. And this is the background that we have now. Let's see how does it look. This is exactly what we had, right? So now let's in our next video, let's see how to make the coding part done, so that now we will be only then we will be able to make the app run. See you.